Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Just a quick look at Vechain here then. Before we begin, as always, please do like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. I would very much appreciate it as well. So taking a look at the charts here, you can see, as I said before, I did have this long position set that has been sitting right now for a good while really at this level here that I did identify as a key level all the way back here. You can see I thought this would be a key level because obviously we had that range that we were in for a good while, and then with the FTX collapse here, we did see Vechain come down, and this was the first place that it bounced. Obviously we did start to get stuck under this level afterwards and then roll over again. Nice little descending wedge formation here. We get the breakout all the way back up inside the range, but you can see here, since that really we've been made that move to the upside previously, we've just been retracing in a bit of a downtrend here. And I did think with the overextended nature of the market here with the RSI etc as well, little bit of a potential bullish divergence on this low, kind of a double bottom back test really. You can see the W here is pretty apparent. I had a long position ready in this area once we did start to bounce here multiple times. You can see we've got a bit of a bounce, came back and retested, and now getting a bit more of a bounce to the upside here. You can see coming up into this area here, I'm looking to target that previous range low up here, which was the previous support as resistance. But right now looking like we've had a decent little move to the upside and now potentially back testing this area here, maybe for a little reversal of trend in this local area and running up to my profit target here. As I said before, I do think this is a trade that will probably play out because we do need to see ourselves retesting this previous level here. As you can see, heading in a bit of a downtrend like this, we have tested this level, but I do think a deeper retest up here is probably quite likely, especially considering that in my opinion Bitcoin's probably going to have a little bit of a bounce to the upside fairly soon, and if that's the case we'll obviously see Vechain following suit as well. But right now just sitting in a decent amount of profit on this trade. I may well set my stop loss to just below this level here, so if we do come down and deviate back inside here, that I will take some of the profits off the table rather than giving them all back to the market, holding this position until it hits the stop loss, rather than taking some profits here. And then obviously my take profit will be up here as well. So I'll leave these lines on the chart for tomorrow so you can check out how the trade goes. But right now that is really all I'm looking for on the Vechain chart. Obviously in terms of the macro, we're still a long way from looking bullish at all. Vechain looking very downtrodden at the minute, still really in an overall macro downtrend, not really showing that much signs of life at all if I'm being completely honest. You can see here this bear market resistance. Let me just make sure that this is correct actually. It's been on here for a while but it's not actually correct, is it? I'd say this is the very bear market resistance like this. This is obviously a long way from getting hit at the minute, up at around 5 or 6 cents. Currently a very long way away from where we are right now. We've got to, I think we've got to be patient with Vechain over the next few years. Obviously I do think it's going to move once the whole market starts moving for crypto. But right now we are just waiting essentially for another move in the market. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video.